Hi everybody, welcome. Today I have WhatsApp application and I'm going to show you how can you easily use it on your computer. As you can see, to download its installer you have to go to whatsapp.com. After that you have to click download and then open installer. As you can see, now we are downloading WhatsApp. As you can see, here we have get started button. We have to click on this button and now we have to scan this QR code. Here we have to click on this icon over here and then we have to scan our QR code. As you can see, once I done it, we have to click continue, link a device, OK, and do the same. As you can see, I'm logging in now. And now, as you can see, we are logged in our WhatsApp computer application. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.